Coming soon to theaters.
Of all the classic Disney stories, of all the miraculous adventures, of all the magical tales, there has never been anything like Enchanted.
Thank you.
Because no other story has ever taken you
Edward, we need help!
to a land as strange and terrifying as ours.
Oh my. I was wondering if one of you might direct me to the castle.
Watch it, will you?
Grumpy. Nobody's been very nice to me.
Yeah, well, welcome to New York.
Thank you.
Giselle, I will rescue you!
Now,
Who's gonna rescue me?
Let's see the beautiful girl.
I'd like to find one of them too, you know?
their world and our world
I think she may be a real princess.
are about to collide.
All right, everyone. Let's tidy things up.
Oh my gosh.
And nothing will ever be the same. This Thanksgiving,
How does she know?
Don't sing. It's okay. You know, let's just walk.
one ordinary man will have to get them back home before time runs out.
Magic Mirror, I beg you. Tell me where she is.
Reporting from 116th and Broadway.
116th and Broadway. Thank you, Mirror.
Walt Disney Pictures presents the motion picture event of the holidays.
You match your match, foul beast.
Are you crazy? Nobody stabs my bus. Don't you run away from me, crazy tight wearing.
Enchanted.
Giselle! Injury.
Coming soon to own on DVD.
Everyone on this planet has a dream. The question is how far you're willing to go to make it come true. Take Lewis, for example.
All right, Lewis, knock him dead. That was a figure of speech. Please don't kill anyone.
All his life, Lewis's dream was to find the family he never knew.
I know they're out there.
But the funny thing about chasing dreams is that no one can do it on their own.
What are you doing up here? Desperate times call for desperate measures.
And the journey will always take you places you never imagined.
What is this? Where are we going? To the future.
The first visitor to the future
Wow.
will discover a strange new world and a family
Lewis, meet the Robinsons.
that's even stranger.
Why is your dog wearing glasses?
Oh, because his insurance won't pay for contacts.
Frogs?
Genetically enhanced frogs.
And his only way home
I have to find my family.
We'll help you, kid.
is about to be stolen by a guy who gives evil a bad name.
What the? You are now under my control.
I am now under your control.
Don't repeat everything I say.
I won't repeat everything you say.
This may be harder than I thought.
From Walt Disney Pictures,
If I had a family, I'd want them to be just like you.
You have to go back to your own time.
when it comes to adventure,
Dude, I can't take you seriously in that hat.
when it comes to family,
I think my wife Lucille's baking cookies. Bake them cookies, Lucille!
when it comes to comedy,
I've got the caffeine patch. You can stay awake for days with no side effects.
Sorry.
There's no time like the future.
Now, my slave, seize the boy. Why aren't you seizing the boy?
Meet the Robinsons.
Get it off! Get it off!
Paris, France, home of the finest restaurants and the greatest chefs in the world. All my life, I've wanted to be one of them. You may think that's a strange dream for a rat, but I've always believed that with hard work and a little luck, it's only a matter of time before I'm discovered.
Run! Do you know what would happen if anyone knew we had a rat in our kitchen? Go! Take it away from here, garbage boy!
Don't look at me like that. You're the one who was getting fancy with the spices. I need this job. I've lost so many. I don't know how to cook, and now I'm actually talking to a rat as if you... Did you not? You understand me? I can't cook, but you can, right? Look, don't be so modest. You're a rat, for Pete's sake. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We just need to work out a system so that I do what you want.
Stop that!
Stop what?
Freaking me out!
Ooh.
I want to make things, Dad.
Stay away from the humans. It's dangerous. Now shut up and eat your garbage.
Whoa. How did you do that?
Just once in a lifetime.
Let's do this thing!
You gotta taste this! You detect that? An oaky nuttiness?
Oh, I'm detecting nuttiness.
Hate to be rude, but we're French.
I have a secret. I have a rat.
You have a rush?
She's toying with my mind, taunting me with that rat. Come on, it's getting away!
Together, we can be the greatest chef in Paris.
Ratatouille?
You're in Paris now, baby. My town. Hey.
For the first time on Special Edition DVD, Walt Disney's jazzy classic, The Aristocats. Meow. Meet a wealthy duchess and her 3 adorable kittens.
Why should you be her? Because I'm a lady, that's why. You're not a lady. You're nothing but a sister.
They've been catnapped
They're gone.
by a greedy butler out to steal their fortune.
What's going to happen to us?
Now it's up to O'Malley, the streetwise alley cat, to save the day.
Yeah.
As he and his friends help Duchess and her kittens find their way home.
George!
Lay some skin on me, scat cat. This is outrageous and crazy.
With bonus features including an all-new virtual kitten game and a newly rediscovered song.
Everybody wants to be
Walt Disney's The Aristocats, coming soon to Special Edition DVD. Now available to own on DVD.
Hop on board and explore the island of Sodor with everyone's #1 friend, Thomas the Tank Engine. You'll join in on the excitement and adventure with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, And Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, little engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Game Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of these Thomas and Friends adventures today.
If you love trains, then you know the countdown to fun has just begun. And Thomas is #1. Come ride the rails with Thomas with non-stop trackside adventures. And meet Molly, the newest engine.
It's the most special of all.
Thomas and his friends have lots of important jobs to do.
How exciting. I must get there right away, cried Thomas.
When a dinosaur is discovered on the island of Sodor, who will take it to the museum?
I will need 2 very careful engines to collect it.
And you never know what's coming just around the bend. Bring home Thomas and Friends on DVD in Come Ride the Rails. And don't forget to add track stars and Tales from the Tracks to your Thomas collection today.
And now, our feature program.
Thomas the Tank Engine wouldn't stop being a nuisance. Night after night, he kept the other engines awake. I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the world. The other engines didn't take much notice, for Thomas was a little engine with a long tongue. It took a very long time to clear the mess. Percy watched as Bulstrode was towed to the beach. There you are, said the workman. Now you can just stay here. Children can play in you all day, and at long last, you'll be useful. When Percy got home, he and Toby exchanged all their news. Well, we've both had some seaside surprises today, laughed Toby. But Driver says that I'm a special attraction anyway, and so are you. Every time we go on our own line. What do you mean? Asked Percy. Well, all we have to do is smile and blow whistles at everyone.
The engines always think they are so clever. bump the trucks around. They bump them in the sidings, they bump them in the yard. They better beware, they better take care, they better be on their guard. Because those Troublesome Trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome Trucks will run the engines on the line. They push them here, push them there, till they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash. Troublesome Trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome Trucks will run the engines on the line. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those Troublesome Trucks will get them all the same. Diesel thinks he is so very smart, bumping all the trucks around the yard. He gets them all in line, then bumps them one more time. Now he thinks that he's in charge. The trucks decide to play another joke, and Diesel's plans will all go up in smoke. He pulls and he pulls until he breaks the chain. On, he's off the rails again. Because those Troublesome Trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome Trucks will run the engines on the line. They push them here, push them there, till they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash. Troublesome Trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome Trucks will run the engines on the line. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those Troublesome Trucks will get them all the same. The engines all try hard to make a stand, looking for a way to foil their plans. Nothing seems to work, it just makes matters worse. Trucks are also underhand. They bide their time until they get their chance. When no one is expecting it, they pounce. They push and they push until it's all too late. On, the trucks have won again. Because those Troublesome Trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome Trucks will run the engines on the line. They push them here, push them there, till they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash. Troublesome Trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome Trucks will run the engines on the line. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those Troublesome Trucks will get them all the same. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those Troublesome Trucks will get them all the same.
Introducing Disney Movie Rewards, where you can get lots of cool stuff. Just buy select Disney DVDs. Log on to DisneyMovieRewards.com, enter the magic code on the insert included on the DVD, and start saving for your rewards. Log in and find out more now.